Yo, first order of the day. It's for IHOP, $7.75 going like 5 miles. There's a chance that this one might be ready since it's so early. Not many people should be eating in yet. It was like a 2-minute wait. They were just bagging it up for me. That guy snatched up his food instantly. Scared me. Just got our next order. This one's for Walmart. $12 and some change going about 6 miles. This Walmart is pretty quiet right now. Hopefully that means I get my order quickly. Well, that order was not worth my time. It took way too long for them to bring it out to me. All right, next order just came in. Muchas gracias. $9 going about 6 miles.
It's for ubereats, right?
Yes, thank you. Next order up is a Starbucks. $12 going about 4 miles.
Ready? I'll be right there.
Oh, that's a lot of cars.
All right, 2 bags for Zan. Thank you.
Thank you. The wait wasn't that bad considering how busy it was in there. Next order up is a Jack in the Box. It said it was a stack, but it's only showing me one address pin on the map. $10 going about 3 miles. Okay, it looks like it's going to the same place. They just ordered twice.
This is one.
Thank you, you too. All right, next up I've got AC's the big order. This one was $7 going less than 3 miles. They had a lot of orders ready there. Pretty sure I got a few of those offered to me as well, but they were just going too far. Oh my god, this is going to a hospital, isn't it? Okay, this is just a clinic. I thought it was going to an actual hospital. Elevator. Next order up is for Mr. Maple Donuts. $10 and some change going about 5 miles.
Should we like child special with red hair, please?
60 to 70% of men's and women's designer overcoats from Calvin Klein.
Thank you.
Next up is McDonald's. $10 going less than 2 miles. This one might be a tip bait.
you go, sir.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.
You too. Finally got my next order after like 20 minutes. It's a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12.50 going like 6 miles.
Cheers.
Next order up is a stacked order. It's telling me that they're both going to the same place. It's like $11 and some change, going 4 miles. First pickup is Burgerville, and I believe the second one was for 7-Eleven.
I'll just wait on the last burger for you.
Hello. Thank you. All right, I think I'm gonna end it here. Current time is 11:48. Current total is like $100 even. But that order I just did should give me at least $5. So about 105 for the day. Honestly, I thought I was doing a lot worse for myself today, but I got some good tips. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. And yeah. Bye.